In this video, we're going to go over how to do a DQ, and then at the end, we'll talk about what I expect for your participation. So let's just click on our first DQ, and in order to do the DQ, let's just read the instructions. Please follow any instructions provided by your instructor. I really don't ever provide any other special instructions. And pretty much all of the DQ prompts for this part look the exact same. They read the exact same. They tell you to go to Alex, click on the navigation bar, go to resources, and download the template. So let's walk through that. You would click on class resources. Once you click on that, you will see Alex at the top. When you click on View Alex or View that resource, it's going to pop up in a different tab. And your Alex tab, once you have your Alex set up, your homepage should look something like this. So to get to our resources, we're going to click on the three lines at the top left corner. And if you go toward the bottom of this menu, you're going to see where it says Resources. We're going to click that. And we're going to go to Tech Templates for the DQs. And since we are doing DQ1 for topic 1, that's where we're going to click, and you're going to see for some of these, if it works, you're going to see for some of these it provides a guidance document, and then here's the topic 1 DQ1. This topic 1 DQ1 is the assignment template itself. This is what you're going to end up turning in once we work on it. Up here, this is just some more detailed instructions. So you can of course go through the instruction document, but that's not what you're going to turn in. If you just want to click and download the Excel topic 1 DQ1, again, this is the template that you're going to be turning in. There's instructions in this as well, so you may not need to view the instruction Word document unless something's unclear to you. So right now I'm just downloading the template. Once you get that downloaded, it looks something like this. Every now and then, the sheets that we have to work on will have different tabs here at the bottom, so make sure you go through all the tabs. The first one is usually just some instructions, and we have that provided right here. Now, I'm not going to go through how to do this sheet. There's another video on that. Once you download that, we have a video built in here about the technology that you need to have in order to do this assignment. Just the basic thing. For one, you need a laptop computer, but if there's any question about that, you may want to view this video. All of our templates each week have videos about how to do it within the Excel spreadsheet. So watch the video instructions, watch the video on the formatting, and then once you have this complete, let's see, I'll go ahead and show you a little bit. Like, you're going to start by typing in your first and last name, and then once you do that and you click out of it, you're going to see that the cells unlock. See how the color changed? Anyway, and then again, this video is going to go up here at the top, is going to go through how to complete this. But let's just pretend for a moment that we had it completed. To turn this in, I'm going to need you to save it. So hit File, hit Save As, and save it in a location where you can find it easily, because we're about to have to upload it. But in the name, it's very important. I want you to leave the topic 1 DQ1 right there, but then place another underscore like I just did, and then type your first and your last name. So once we have that saved, And let me just check to see where I saved it. I saved it, yeah, in my downloads. Okay, once we have that saved, we're going to go back to our discussion and we're going to reply to the discussion. All you have to do for this, you do not have to type anything right here, nothing at all. You're going to add an attachment, go find where you saved it. This shouldn't be that difficult, but I'm going to have difficulty. Yeah, right there. And post. That's all you have to do to turn in your DQ. Now, as far as responding to DQs to get your participation credit for each week, I don't suggest responding to a person's spreadsheet. What are you going to say? I have students do it and I will accept it. I mean, you could look at another person's spreadsheet and tell them what they did wrong or did right, but that's not what I suggest. I suggest going to what we call the CAT questions, and I usually post 1 or 2 each week, and I usually try to pin them to the top of the discussion board. So just find where I have posted a CAT question and respond to it. I'm not very picky on this. All I need is 75 words. I just need 75 words. I'm not going to be too picky. So you can respond to my question, and then as other people respond, you can respond to their response. And then, yeah, you could respond to a person's spreadsheet, but I find that kind of difficult to do and not as meaningful. For participation, I need you to have responded 3 separate days out of the week. 3 separate days. I don't care what days, but on 3 days. And on each of those days, for day 1, I need you to respond 2 times. For day 2, I need you to respond 2 times. For day 3, I need you to respond 2 times. So that's a total of 6 responses. And all of those responses have to be 75 words each. If you respond 6 times, but let's say it's not over 3 days, if you did it all in 2 days, you're not going to get full credit. If you were present in responding for, I don't know, even 4 or 5 days, that's great, but in order for me to count your day as being active, you have to respond 2 times on that one day. So the best thing for you to do is, again, choose 3 days, and on each of those 3 days, respond to 2 people. 75 words. I'm not going to be picky at all. You all have a great day and a great time getting started on everything in the class. Reach out to me if you have any questions. The best way to reach out to me is messages right here. I'm not the best with the class questions. I do get to that, but I do prefer the messages right here. You all have a great day.